What is going on? Been talking a lot about current mood changes and current mood status is when you're in a different zone all the time. Not sure if it's good or not, because like my current mood every time changes depending on what I'm doing. I think it's normal, but I could be wrong. I could be going crazy, but who knows? I guess we're all crazy in our little ways. But my current mood now is I'm tired, really tired, didn't sleep. Heading over to the car playground, and I think I need coffee really bad. I don't know what it is. Every time I get on here, I start recording something, I get a phone call in. It never fails. I'll probably get another one and I'll have to pause this. But anyways, current mood, tired, I need coffee. I need a lot of coffee. Today I'm taking everybody on what I do every day in my life. It's not going to be a full segment because restaurants are not open, gyms are not open, so it'll be cut a little short. It'll be like day in a life, working hard, but really hardly working. But that's all you can do right now in these times. Lockdown's still happening. They extended it by 2 weeks here in Canada. So no amenities, can't do anything, can't eat out, no gyms, absolutely no gyms, not even a few people, nothing has changed. Yes, case numbers have been going down a little bit, but you know what? As soon as we open up again, they're going to start going back up. But you know what? The government, they cannot keep shutting us down. You know, after this weekend, or last weekend, or on, I should say, what, the 14th? Or the 15th? The 15th, we had like a big protest in Toronto, a bunch of little protests. But and the lockdown protest, quite a few thousands of people, so they'll probably blame it on that the case numbers are going up. But you know, everybody's just sick and tired of, like, you know, living the way they are, having no jobs, or, you know, being limited to everything, you know. So everybody says it's a free country and we're, you know, being locked up basically. I totally understand it, I totally get it. I know why we're doing this. I know why everybody needs to get a vaccine. Is it healthy or not? I really don't know. Are you guys getting a vaccine? I don't really want to get a vaccine, but if that's going to allow me to travel and my doctor says it's safe enough to get one, I'm getting one. Fuck that, you know? I want to be able to go down to Florida. I want to be able to go to California, go to the islands, you know? And I don't want anything else stopping me. I know it sounds horrible that, you know, they're gonna make you take a vaccine if you want to do anything, you know, in Canada. It sucks, right? It's totally against, like, you know, our rights. But you know what? If that's gonna keep people safe, probably do it. I don't know. There's a lot of people out there fighting it and, you know, fighting their rights, and, you know, yeah, go for it, go do it, fight for your rights, you know. But you know what, I'm living pretty fucking good and I can't really complain, so I'm just gonna go and do it. I'm just gonna go get my shots and, you know, make sure I can travel, start making plans, you know. I can't just be stuck in one spot all the time. It's brutal, but that's me. Everybody else has a different point of view of everything else that's going on. So, I don't know about the stabilization. It's just shaking like crazy. It's probably gonna be all wiggly when I play it and stuff, but that's how you're gonna get it for now. Until I switch over to my GoPro 5 Black, or I've been doing a lot of vlogging on my GoPro Fusion 360. It's really weird, but I'll show you guys later on. And talk to you guys in. What the fuck? Current mood changes once again. I think this woke me the fuck up. Just pulling into the station here, which is 1:37. Can you fucking believe that? Holy shit. Well, I got no choice. Like I said before with current moods, well, my mood seems to be getting a little better. And I'll show you why in a minute. I had somebody toss a coffee out the car window and splash the side of my vehicle, which wasn't cool. This is why my current mood is better. Now I'm in the Acura NSX. It's pretty cool, but not sure exactly what I'm gonna be doing today. So it's pretty cool. Current mood, really good. It's nice and warm today. I'm gonna have to take this hoodie off. It's too hot. What do you guys think about the Lambo? Or the Rolls, or should I take out the Rolls and be stuck up? Go. Go, 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 go. Oh, okay, got it. Go, go, go. Oh, okay. Holy wobbly. It has different modes. It's like on manual, it's very wobbly. Yeah. How long is the battery charge for?
It takes 30 minutes. It goes 35.
Time to bring out Godzilla in the GTR. In Godzilla. And we are opening up the windows. We can hear a nice cold start. That's our cold start. The GTR. Current mood, very happy. Out in the GTR, had a cold start, and we'll be ready to roll as soon as this truck moves. Off. And there we are. Nothing like cruising in Rolls. Pretty fucking sweet. But it's a hot day. I think I'm gonna go into the Porsche GT3 RS. Yes. Alrighty. Okay. Fire extinguisher, just in case we catch on fire here. Just waiting up for Dave. No, I don't have a radio in here. It's in the GTR. Take a little spin around the country, just waiting for Dave, my navigator. And being followed by the McLaren. You can see that in the mirror. Well, that was my little tour session. It was okay. I'm stepping out for some lunch. There's so much you can deal with today. A lot of people cruising around, taking tours with people and leading them on a little run. It was pretty fun. I had a couple of people that were like cool with it. But anyways, I'm heading for lunch. I'm gonna grab something to eat. And then back to the same old thing. Alrighty, day in the life is kind of coming to an end. Getting really tired. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment, don't comment, whatever you like. I don't give a fuck. It's all good. I need to get something to eat. I wish I can go to sushi right now, but I can't. I gotta wait till everything opens up. Till next time.